we are going to open the box for the Brightsign Media Player HD224. So we are going to open up. And we will see what it is inside. Here you have a page that has the player setup. Then inside it comes the Brightsign. You can see that there's the Ethernet port, the micro SD to put on the memory, the HDMI to connect the cable to the display. You have on the back the serial numbers, and here on the front you have a 3.5 millimeters for audio, another one for IR, 8 ports for GPIO, so you can connect to the GPIO, and this is all the equipment. Then you have power outlets, different power outlets. Then it comes with the power supply. You have here the power supply, and then you connect the power supply to the equipment, and you have here this power supply, and then you connect it to here. It goes to here where it says 12V 1.5 amps. And then you have different universal outlet to put whatever you are going to use here. So this is what it comes inside the Brightsign HD224 media player. We do appreciate being with us. Thank you.